Welcome to the Timelock Documentation Property Pro applications, the easiest way to securely document on-site snow removal and landscape maintenance, including estimates and invoices, along with virtually any other kind of document. If you haven't set up your teams, or your team members haven't downloaded the app, be sure to watch our permission levels and teams video, and each app's mobile app video. The first time you use the web dashboard, you'll need to create a project. Click Projects on the left side, then click the Add Edit button. Give your project a name, then click Add. Once your project folder appears in the list, click to select it. At this point, you'll need to add an inspection location. Click an empty location slot, then click Add Edit and name the location. If you'd like, you can add stakeholder or client emails to the location at this point. Just type them in the lower box, and any documents you create in the project will be emailed out automatically. Be sure to hit Enter between each address. When you're ready, click Add. Now you're ready to fill out an inspection certification for the new location. Click the location you just created, then click the next open space in the certification column. Now, click the Add Edit button. Start by editing the title of the document to fit your current needs. Fill in the details and be sure to specify a client. A specific address can also be added. Now, select a property type for the certification: residential, commercial, public works, school, or custom. Then, if you're using the Snow app, enter a snowfall amount. When using the Snow Removal Pro app, set the All Snow Cleared toggle to green if the job is complete, or leave it gray if snow removal is still needed. You can then select the locations that were cleared and add a treatment note. In the Landscape Pro app, use the toggle to choose between maintenance being complete or the property needing maintenance. You can also add details of the work done, toggle specific tasks to complete, and add other details, including any additional notes. The section at the bottom of the page changes function based on the document type selected in the dropdown. There are 4 options: Comment for documenting a repair or inspection, Change Order for creating a change order in the field, Work Estimate for creating an estimate, and Invoice for on-site billing. One important note: if you fill in the details with one document type selected, then change to a different document type, you'll lose the information entered in the first document. Only record one document type for each certification. Fill out the document and save it, then click Add. Once inspections have been modified in the field using the app, you can see photos and signatures in the dashboard. Just click the links at the bottom of the page. You can even view the full emailed certifications in the Emailed Certs column on the right side of the dashboard. These documents open in a separate tab for easy viewing and downloading. All items, from project folders to certifications, can be locked to prevent editing, or hidden from app users. Simply select the item you want to lock or hide and click the appropriate button. You'll be able to see which items are locked or hidden using the icons that appear next to their names in the dashboard. The Timelock Documentation Suite syncs data instantly across web, iOS, and Android platforms. With the Timelock Documentation Dashboard and our Property Pro applications, you can create professional, secure, visual reports in minutes and from anywhere. To learn more about our system, visit Timelockdocs.com today.